A lot of times we get caught up between brands. Should we get a Lincoln? Should we get a Miller? In my personal opinion, it's all based on your budget, what you like, and what type of work you're doing. Are you outside? Are you inside? Are you fabricating? Are you fitting? Are you welding a long time? Are you on tacking? All of those things gonna play into part when you're picking a good hood. Now I got both. I got the Elite and I got the Miller. I mean the Lincoln Viking, and I got the Elite Miller. Now, in my personal opinion, there's a lot of cool features about the Lincoln. The grind mode, that's one of the cool features that I like. I love the headgear too. The headgear is awesome. With this one, the headgear isn't bad, but I do like the headgear on the Lincoln better. I like the wideness of the lens on this one, and the color. It's like a tint greenish color. It's better than the clears, in my opinion, as you get older. To me, after you get when you hit your 40s and up and your eyes starting to get a little bit bad, I like the Miller. When you're a little younger and you know, man, your eyes good, Lincoln. Hey, you can be old and use the Lincoln, but that's how I'm comparing it. One is when you're young, and as you get older, I really like the bigger lens and the way it just shows behind it. Both of these are good. I spent my money on both of them. I would recommend both of them, but I really like my Miller now that I'm older. Hold on.